Here's a question. Should car owners be held liable if their vehicle is stolen and later involved in a crash? There are lawsuits in our region involving that very question that could set a new precedent moving forward.
It's also a debate unfolding in the legal world, and the outcome could impact several Western New Yorkers. So tonight, I'm asking the experts for their thoughts if victims are responsible for the actions of criminals. Now, this all stems from a February 2023 crash that seriously injured a Cheektowaga police officer. A teenager stole a car from Depew and then led police on a chase into Cheektowaga. Officer Troy Blackchief was attempting to deploy stop sticks to disable that car when he was hit. Nearly 2 years later, Blackchief is still recovering from his severe injuries. And the 19-year-old driver, Patrick Prim III, was sentenced earlier this month to 5 years in prison.
And as we mentioned, there are now 2 lawsuits putting the blame for that crash in part on the stolen vehicle's original owners. Officer Blackchief filed one in February. The town of Cheektowaga filed theirs in September. Both lawsuits say the crash happened because of negligence from the owners and the driver. The officer's filing says the owners gave the driver permission to operate the car after a police report says they left the keys in the vehicle. Cheektowaga is suing for $1 million to cover Blackchief's medical expenses.
This, as you can imagine, is a complicated topic that, as we said, could impact other Western New Yorkers who've had their cars stolen. So to help us all better understand these lawsuits and what's at stake, I'm giving a voice to 3 experts in the legal field. You'll hear from 3 attorneys who offer different opinions on this issue. Can the owners of a stolen vehicle used in a crime be held liable in a civil case? That's what's being argued in 2 civil lawsuits filed in state Supreme Court against the owners of the stolen vehicle that hit Cheektowaga police officer Troy Blackchief, causing severe injuries. The lawsuits claim the owners of the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee that was stolen from their Lancaster driveway were negligent. A police report says the owners left the vehicle unlocked with the keys inside.
I think it's a very creative and novel strategy, quite frankly.
Former Erie County District Attorney John Flynn is now a partner at Lippis Mathias and prosecuted the driver in the criminal case. Flynn tells me lawyers for the plaintiffs in the civil suit are trying to expand what's called the key and ignition statute, which applies to leaving a car unattended in a public place, but doesn't apply to a private driveway.
This should fall under the general negligence theory, not just the key and the ignition statute. With the increase in the number of car thefts that are happening not only in Erie County, but nationwide, you as the homeowner, you as the owner of the vehicle should know better based upon the car thefts that are occurring nationwide.
Even though the operator of that vehicle might be committing a crime, you basically were negligent by leaving the key in the car.
Attorney and legal analyst Paul Cambria agrees.
So can you be held liable if you're the victim of a crime, in this case of a vehicle stolen from their driveway?
Yes, if you do something that's deemed to be negligent.
But Buffalo attorney Florina Altschiller has a different opinion.
These people who are the owners of the vehicle are entitled to be comfortable in their own home, to leave their vehicle in their own driveway, and if they forget and leave it unlocked, that's okay. They're not the ones committing crime, and in fact, their vehicle shouldn't be taken from them. They are victims of a crime. They should not be civilly liable for the damages.
Now, a state Supreme Court justice denied the request of the owner's attorneys to have this case thrown out. All 3 of the legal experts I spoke with today have differing opinions on how they believe this will all shake out. Meantime, both civil cases are scheduled to be back in court here locally on January 8th.